Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to use TikTok photo mod. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys must have to update your TikTok application because it is the latest TikTok feature. So you guys must have to update first TikTok application. So after updating the TikTok application, you guys have to simply open up TikTok. So after opening up TikTok, here you guys have to simply click on the plus icon. So here you guys have to simply select the duration in which you want your photo to be slide. So if you want to be slide in 15 seconds, you guys can select 15 seconds or 60 seconds or 10 minutes according to your needs. So after selecting the duration, you guys have to simply click on the upload button. So after clicking on upload button, here you guys have to simply go to the photo section. So here after coming to photo section, here you guys have to simply click on select multiple, which allow you to select multiple photos and make slideshow. So here you guys have to simply select the photo in the order in which you want to slideshow the photos. So I'm selecting. After selecting the complete photos, you guys have to simply click on next. So you guys can see your TikTok slideshow has been created. You guys have to just simply add sound by tapping on add sound, and you guys can select the sound according to your need. And you guys can also use this feature of like allowing text, stickers, filters, crop. And after all, you guys have to simply click on next. And here you guys have to simply put the details about description, or you guys can tag people or change location. And you guys can also adjust privacy. And after all, you guys have to simply click on post, and your photo slideshow will be posted to TikTok. So in this way, you guys can use TikTok photo mod. That's all for today, guys. Hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.